Hey guys, welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Now this is another J1 video. Guys, don't come for me. Don't come for me. I know it's been a minute. But guys, please remember that I am not a part of the program anymore and I rely on you guys to get information plus to do my own research. Plus I have life and everything. Yeah. But guys, I am not giving up. Nope, sorry. I have so many passion for this J1 program that I might just start my own business, you understand? But guys, yes, I am here to give you some updates, the latest updates about the whole visa ban and the embassy and you getting your visa dates and all that. And I know a lot of you have already been on your interviews. And guys, if you have not yet checked out my video about the interview, some of the questions that they may ask you, go on over and watch that video. It will be helpful. And guys, this time around I think it's much more calmer than the year in 2019. Let me just give you a quick hint. Everything that you answer on the paper, just answer it truthfully. Okay? If them ask you say I have a sister, you know, and a sister, you have a brother, just say no means it's a brother I have because them have the paper before them and them know. If you go Colorado and them say they are New York, you go say no means me I go Colorado because them have the paper in front of them. Them just want to know if you are telling the truth or not. Okay guys? And I just want to tell you that the program is still on and it's a first come first serve. So if you want to know all about that and all the updates and all those stuff, stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, we all know about the visa ban that Trump had imposed, and it was supposed to be relaxed in March thereabouts, and I must say it's somewhat relaxed, but there are bans as it relates to some countries and some visa types. But as far as J1 goes, you do have the opportunity to go over and work. Now for you to go over and work, it all depends on if the embassy in your country is open, and we're talking about Jamaica here. And we all know the issue with the Jamaican embassy. The last time I checked, the dates for J1s or visa overall, it's like in October, August, September. Yeah, and we all know that does not going to work for J1 because we're supposed to be back in the country in September. And that means that we need to be out here by May, you know, the earliest May, the latest June. No, if it is that the visa is available in September, that doesn't make any sense. However, the sponsors has been working diligently based on the fact that last year didn't happen. A lot of persons lost their money, including myself, lost my money, and they want to know that the program is up and running, so they're being on the go, getting information, talking to the necessary departments, talking to the embassy, trying to get this program up and running. And I must say they have been doing a very good job, because right now the embassy has been giving out early dates, and for you to get that date you would have to be on the system 24/7 to get a date that is suitable for you. So I have a friend that owns a visa consultant agency, and I've been asking her questions so that I can come to you guys. Now earlier on I asked her how soon or what are the nearest date, and she said that it was in August, September. Yeah, that don't make no sense. So last week I asked her again, and she said that the embassy has been opening dates for just a short period of time, and it's practically a first come first serve. So say for instance, on a particular day, the embassy will open the window for just about 2 hours, and whomever gets into that 2 hours can get early dates such as in May and so forth. So you would have to be on the system, constantly checking. And she's also saying that you only have 5 chances to change your visa date. Let's say for instance you get a date in June, you know, 21st or something like that, and you go on the system and you see June 1st. Choose it because hey, that's closer, right? And The next time you go around, you see like a May 20 something, you choose it. So that's your second chance gone, right? So you only have 3 times leave, right? Now you can go as much within the 5 times and choose the best suitable date for you. Okay, and don't be selfish. Tell your friend, tell another friend, you understand, because we all in this together. I must add, not everyone that I sign up on the program will be going on the program, because the embassy only giving out a small percentage of visas. So if you go on the website and you see a date, grab it quick. No matter how far it is, just grab it, because you may not get another opportunity. Okay, so a lot of persons been asking this question: why can't the J1 visa be waived just as how the H2B visa be waived? No, this is you not going in for an interview, and the reason for this is because the J1 civis number change each time you go on the program, and the H2B civis number don't really change. So they would need you to come in for a personal interview so that they can, interact with you, ask you questions, do paperwork and so forth and all that. There is a lot more to it, but the main reason for that is because your number change each time you go on the program. This video is not so long, it's just a small update just to tell you that the program is still on and it's a first come first serve. So if you see a date, grab it. Oh, let me add this. Now a lot of sponsors is saying that they need to have control over the visa, which is not true. If you pay them to apply for the visa for you, you can ask or request the login information so that you can track the whole visa process and everything, or change the date and so forth, right? Because these sponsors, not all of them, some of them are working hard for their friends, right? So if there's a date available, they'll put those who they know more over those who they don't know, right? So if you can get your information and maneuver the whole system, then you'll be at a better luck, right? And don't let them tell you that no, they're supposed to be in charge. No. No, it's because they want to be ahead of you. And if you're someone who don't really interact with them, call them a lot, pest them, annoy them, getting on them backbone, then they won't even remember you, or probably will put you at the forefront of their mind. So whenever a date come in, they wouldn't say, hey, let me put in Vanessa in, because she's been calling constantly. No, they'll pick person who they like, pick person who's been annoying them just to get them off their back, and give them a date. And for those persons who are quiet, silent in the background, get left behind. So guys, if you can get your visa information, get it from them and maneuver that stuff yourself. And guys, work together with your friends. Don't be selfish, don't be all for yourself. Work together, we are all in this together. And my next video will be about packing. Now you know what, I'm going to do, after you get a visa, I'm going to do searching for your flight, and I'm going to show that what I do, okay, what I did, and the cheapest way, the most affordable way, and the best way. So that's my next video, and after that I'm going to choose the packing video, and I'm going to try to condense all this series in this month, because I know it's time for you to fly out and all that. And guys, please remember to bring back something for me when you leave America. You understand? Let's remember this little girl here. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and drop me a comment, let me know how the process is going, let me know, because guys, I am not a part of the program anymore, so I really want to hear from you guys. A lot of persons been messaging me on Instagram and in the comments down below, and I really appreciate it, and it really gives me the drive to continue. So please continue to do that, and whatever updates you have, let me know so we can update the other person them. You understand? So thank you. Bye. Yeah, thing we're not gonna forget. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification so that whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know. Bye now.